Hi everyone, I'm Nicholas from Power User, and today I'm excited to introduce you with our Power User AI assistant. Thanks to this new tool, you will be able to elevate your writing and most importantly, boost your productivity on purpose. Drafting business's document always means finding the right tone, grammar, and flow. It can be a waste of your valuable time. That's why we came up inside Power User with the solution to select any block of text, click and apply our AI assistant. Let me show you directly how simple it is. I'm gonna select this, my text here, okay. There are plenty of mistakes on it, so I will just give the right click, AI assistant, and thanks to this, I'll be able to rephrase, fix the spelling, grammar, shorten my text, expand it and make it more professional. Let's fix the spelling and grammar first. Lovely. Now I want to make it shorter. Great. Or I just want to rephrase it to make it more professional. You have different possibilities to work on your text box and to improve your tone, grammar, flow, and productivity. Thanks for watching and feel free to contact us anytime if you need to book a little demo. Bye bye.